Alright, so mga tropa, mga ka-RO, mga ka-otits, mag-share lang ako ng simpleng tricks about medal and I'm not sure if most of the players are doing this, pero kung hindi, panoorin nyo to and for sure, uh, madadagdagan yung stats nyo. And this is, by the way, my recommendation is spend your gold coins sa feathers and fame box muna kaysa ubusin natin sa Ori and Elu para lang magpa plus 12 plus 15 ng weapon and then wala namang kasiguraduhan. Dito na tayo sa sigurado especially if you're an F2P. But if you're a spender, for sure you can do everything. But for the most of the players here, I'm pretty sure mid spender F2P malaking bagay itong gagawin natin. So this is all about medals. This is just an alt. Ayun, na-claim ko na yung dito. Ang ipapakita ko na lang is paano ko ginawa sa medals na meron ako ngayon kasi kung titignan mo, etong 37,000, pwede ko siyang magamit lang ng hanggang natin 30-40 lang yata to. So that's total of 70 levels lang. So, tignan natin kung ilan yung total. So, 47 at saka 30. That's a total of 77 levels lang. Pero, as you can see here, nakuha ko na yung up to 150. Here's how. First, kasi for sure, nakapagpa-level na kayo ng mga medals nyo based sa class na gamit nyo. So, all you have to do is reset that medals and then i-level up nyo from bravery up to loyalty. So, you can do it like this. So, sa situation ko right now, I can do level 20 lahat to. So, that's 2, 4, 6, 7, equivalent to 140 levels. And ang kailangan mo lang naman dito is up until 160, right? So, nakuha ko na yung hanggang 150 with the medals that I have right now. So, ganun lang yung kailangan yung gawin. I-balance or even yung itong mga medals na nandito. Gawin nyo lang 20, 20, 20 yan. Or kung ilan yung medals na meron kayo. Kasi for sure, kapag na-reach nyo na yung level dito, claim nyo na yung 1,000 1,000 fame na reward. And then magagamit nyo siya pang upgrade ulit. So, ganun lang kasimple. Wala namang kahirap-hirap. I-reset nyo lang yung mga medals na meron kayo ngayon. For sure, dalawa yan. Tsaka ipag-level up nyo lang yung mga medal dito. Gamit yung fame. So, para makita nyo kung ilan yung levels na inabot, gagawin kong ito yung simpleng tricks na most of us is na-skip kasi nakafocus na tayo sa pagbibuild kaagad. Kailangan i-take advantage natin yung mga ganitong tricks para less gastos din. Gaya ng sabi ko, para din sa mga ka-F2P natin mga tropa. There. So, that's the total of, ito pwede ko na itong gawing 30, I think. Kaya ako nakuha yung 150. Yes. So, that's the total of 150 levels for all 7 medals. That's 20 for bravery, heroism 20, wisdom is 30, charm up to loyalty is tag to 20. So that's a total of 150 levels. Kaya ako nakuha yung reward dito. Yan. Medal of Glory, total level reach 150. Pero kung susumahin kapag pinalevel ko lang yung talagang medal na gagamitin ko, that's almost 80 levels lang, right? So reset nyo muna guys and then do this I'm pretty sure na madadagdagan yung stats nyo and your combat power. Let's not focus sa pag-upgrade ng mga gears kung hindi naman kaya. Let's be wise and ayun, manood lang tayo ng mga tricks, tutorials, and tips na sinishare ng mga players. So yun lang. If you have questions, you can just go ahead and comment dyan sa comment section and magre-reply naman ako agad. Thank you mga kaotits!